In this video, I will show you how to get the replace audio feature on Instagram. So this is relatively a new feature. So what you'll have to do is update your Instagram. For that, simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Here you will find an update button. Simply click on it. After that, let your app get updated. And once the app is updated, what you can do is go back, click and hold on to the Instagram icon, then click on more features, then go to app info, then go to storage uses. Here you will find clear data and clear cache. Click on clear cache. After that, you can simply open up Instagram again and you will find the feature. And in case you still don't find the feature, simply click on your profile icon. Then in the top right corner, you'll find this 3 lines menu bar. Click on it. Then scroll till the end, click on log out, then confirm it. After that, log back into your account and then simply open up the post again. Then click on this 2 lines menu bar in the top right corner. Here you will find edit button, click on it. Here you will find the music or audio used in this post, simply click on it. Now you can choose any other that you like, simply confirm it, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.